Make an atoll. Little more than sand, trees, and a small Japanese military base. Miller's reconnaissance team landed there almost a week ago. Since then, we've heard nothing. The waiting's over. We're going in. For all we know, they're already dead. If what little we know about the Japanese is true, it might be better if they are. Miller, you're okay. Thank God.
Ready. Dennis is walking over to the horn right now. Where are they? Are you friendly? I found the chest! I got the chest! Fuck! Grab it, go, this way. Cover me. There, take it. Go.
I'm a goddamn onion.